For most young people, the judicial system is a cloudy institution that inspires fear and confusion. Ironically, the Chief Justice of the Sub-Regional Judiciary was himself a youth activist. With that in mind, the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court hosted its first Youth Leaders Symposium as the fourth component of the ECSC's public education program. The event aims to give Eastern Caribbean people a better understanding of the judiciary.
Unfortunately, most people in Saint Lucia do not know much about or understand the court system in Saint Lucia or the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court as an institution. And the same is true about the other member states and territories of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court in terms of understanding the court system and the Supreme Court. And this lack of understanding, Madam Moderator, reveals itself quite embarrassingly sometimes, especially when it is displayed by people occupying high offices.
The sessions held throughout the symposium covered some of the administrative institutions and processes that cause the most vexation to the public, including the land registry and estate planning, the registrar of companies, and business registration.
So, what can you do? Talk to your family, your friends, your peers about estate planning. Like Ms. Thomas said, some people, when they think about wills, they think that death is on the horizon, or they think that it's going to come. These conversations can be awkward, but it's important to have. Ask your aunt, your mom, your dad, even yourselves as young people, what do you have in place for your future children, for future generations?
The RSLPF was represented by Inspector Zachary Hippolyte, and a presentation was also done by the Department of Probation and Parole Services, where each of them delved into the community and people-centered methods of their work.
The police officer has a lot of power. So, duties of the police. Now, let me tell you, when it comes to duties, if you saw the list, so I only put what? 4 there. Just 4. All right? Preserving the public peace. Preventing and detecting crimes and other infractions of the law. Apprehending and causing to be apprehended persons who shall have committed or shall be charged with, or suspected, you see the power of suspicion is very powerful there, the police, of having committed or having abated the commission of, or being about to commit any crime or offense, controlling the traffic upon public thoroughfares and removing instructions therefrom.
The presentations were also delivered by the Acting Registrar of Companies and other justices of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court. Overall, it was a well-received opportunity to learn how to navigate and understand some of the functions of the judiciary. The greatest responsibility given to the young attendees was to return to their groups and educate their peers, so the knowledge they gained will guide the upcoming generation's nation building and contributions to regional integration. For Choice News Now, I am Cianna Dalsan.